Hi, Phil Sewell from Godfreys Law. I'm going to talk now about conflict of interest and independent legal advice. I think most people know what a conflict of interest is. It's where two people don't have the same interest in a transaction. A good example might be a parent who's selling a house to one of their children. You might think they have an identity of interest, but maybe the parent wants to get the top price, the child wants to pay as little as they can. There might be arguments or slight difference of opinion about whether all the money is owing, should some be gifted. That's not a blatant conflict of interest. There are much worse cases. Less obvious are those cases where the interests are a bit fudged. Often it might be in family transactions, or it might be an older person dealing with a younger person. Or it might be a vulnerable person who's dealing with someone who might be abusing that position. So that's where we come in. We take our role seriously in protecting people from others and protecting them from themselves. It's interesting with older people who sometimes have quite strong views about what they should do and what they should be allowed to do. Should they be allowed self-autonomy along the lines of there's no fool like an old fool, or should there be some intervention? If the daughter of the old person phones you a few days later, who do you listen to? So these are quite fine and delicate points, and this is where our experience as lawyers in dealing with conflicts of interest for a long time comes in handy. We will ensure that our clients are protected, that the work is done properly and according to the law. So if you are aware of anyone who's in a difficult position, perhaps being got at by a neighbour or a younger relation or someone else, think about a referral to a firm which does its job properly and carefully.